Hey guys, this is Mike. In this video, we're going to draw some 2D images on the screen. To start, I'm going to open up Orion Dev, and I'm going to copy the blank window example into my projects folder, and I'm going to rename it to Drawing Sprites. And in 2D graphics, a sprite is just any 2D image that you draw on the screen. Go ahead and open up the editor. And I'll open up that file I just created. Drawing Sprites. Let's go ahead and update this. Drawing Sprites source. Go ahead and change the date. And this program draws sprites on the screen. So right now, if I compile and run this, we should just get a blank window on the screen. There's our blank window. So now I need an image to draw. And in the example folder of Orion Dev, there's an example called Drawing Sprites. And there's already a sprite in here, and it's a penguin. And it's called mysprite.png. I'm just going to copy that and put it into the project folder I just created. So now I have a sprite to load and to draw on the screen. To load a sprite, we're going to load it in the draw function. Usually when we want to initialize or load something, we'll put it in the setup function, but for images, it's a special case and we'll put it in the draw function. And to load an image, we first say static. And what static does is it tells our compiler to only do this once. So whatever is on the same line as static, it's only going to do it once. And we only want to load our image once. I mean, we can constantly load it, but that's really, really slow. And on computers nowadays, it won't really matter. But it's better to load your image once and then draw it, instead of loading it multiple times, then drawing it. So to create a sprite, we type sprite, and then we type in the name that we want to name our sprite. This is a variable that we're going to name, and I'm going to call mine my_sprite. Now in parentheses, we're going to put the name of the file, which is my_sprite.png. And we're going to put that in quotes. So now it should load an image. But it's not drawing the image, it's just loading it. To draw the image, we type in the name of our variable that we just created, which is mySprite. And then we call .draw. And .draw takes a couple different arguments. For right now, we're just going to do X and Y coordinates. So I'm going to draw mine at 0, 0. So now if I compile and run this, we should see a penguin in the middle of the screen. And there we go. Now to draw your sprite multiple times, we just call draw multiple times. So if I do this, say 3 times, and I draw a penguin at -200 and at 200 on the x-axis, then we should have 3 penguins all on the x-axis. And there we go. There's 3 penguins. So go online, try to find an image, try out a couple different formats. I'm using a PNG, but you can use a JPEG or a bitmap. If you have any questions, I'll see you guys in class.